Sa pagpatak ng bawat oras ay ikaw ang iniisip-isip ko. Hindi ko mahinto, pintig ng puso. Ikaw ang pinangarap-ngarap ko, simula nang matanto na balang araw iibig ang puso. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng kay tagal, ngunit ngayon'y nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Humihinto sa bawat oras ng tagpo, ang pag-ikot ng mundo, umingiti ng kusa.
There is love, there is God. May the God of love bless the both of you and keep you. May God's favor be with you always. May God's guidance and protection direct you and defend you all the days of your life. May you grow in God's abundance and peace, so in turn you may bless others who are in need. And may the loving parent God, the Son, and the Holy Spirit bless you and be with you, now and forevermore.
Amen.
Amen. For as much as you, Yel and Dawn have proclaimed your vows in this rite of holy union before God and before witnesses, and as much as you, your loyalty and love to one another, and symbolize your unending love in the giving and receiving of rings, I, Nerese Karen K. M. Pamayan, interim pastoral leader of Metropolitan Community Church, Quezon City, along with Pastor Mike and Pastor Edgar, who represent their individual churches, who hereby pronounce you life partners. You may now turn your brothers, now I invite you, all of you, to be the first to welcome them as life partners. Congratulations, Kian and Dawn.
Okay, so while we are at that point where we will be doing two things. One is that we're going to take our
upang puso ko. Walang ikahatimang saglit na sa'yo'y may papalit. Ngayon kailan may ikaw. Ang lahat ng aking galaw at sanhin ay that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like the thread that keeps on unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams, reflections in your eyes. Are the answers to my questions in your eyes? I can see the reasons why your love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you. You told me that life changes and that no one really knows whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow. Even though the winds of time will change in a world where nothing stays the same, through it all our love would still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams, I can see my dreams. In your eyes, are these things to stars? In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. You and I, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more. I think I finally learned. when the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case. I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I go black and blue, I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
I made myself a promise some time ago, never again to give my heart away. Fell in love with someone who left me in the end. The price of love was just too high to pay. I thought my life had ended, but you came along and showed.
We met, actually, to be honest with you, we met through Facebook and through church, through MCC. I had already met Pastor Kakai when she came to our church in LA and started friending her and some of the members of MCC Quezon City. And I sent a friend request to Yell because he's in all the pictures in Quezon City. And he accepted. And I don't know, it was something I never expected. It's kind of, people never believe it, that there's just like one person that you just meet and you just know. And when we started talking and chatting, I think both of us just knew. It took us a while to admit it to each other, but we felt it, that there was this connection, our bond with each other halfway around the world that I never had with anybody else, ever in my life. Up came the proposal video, and he just started crying. It was funny at first. I don't think he knew what it was. I think he I don't know what he thought. He didn't realize it was a proposal at first until I think the song hit him, because it was John Legend's All of Me. And when I started sharing how much I loved him, he started bawling and I'm crying. So I'm trying to hold it together so I can propose. We had come all the way from on the MRT and the jeepney and everything from the hotel, and I had to sneak the ring in the whole way without him knowing. So I had the ring hidden in my sock the whole time we were traveling. So when the video was done, I stood up in front of all of his friends in front of the church, and when the video ended, I stood up and asked him to marry me, and he said yes.
Minutes before kami umalis ng hotel, inabot ko sa kanya yung scrapbook na yun. Doon nakalagay lahat ng memories namin from the very, very first day. And I remember, when I gave it, yung binigay ko sa kanya yun, hindi ko napigilan talaga yung sarili ko. Pumunta na lang ako ng CR to cry. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ko na siya makikita. And I don't know kung gusto niya ba ako. And nakakatakot kasi feeling ko, mahal ko na siya. And sabi ko, wala na akong magagawa. Yan na lang yung scrapbook na pwede kong ibigay na memory para sa kanya. Then, paglabas ko ng CR, comfortable hotel, I saw him crying. And that's the hardest part. Parang ayaw na namin mahiwalay sa isa't isa.
say is I've never been so happy in my life. But Yale's just incredible, and I can't wait to live the rest of my life with him every day.
Isn't that sweet? Those people who were with us earlier here at Valley Garden for the wedding ceremony. And for those who just came to join in, welcome. And so, here we are at Valley Garden for the most exciting part, the reception. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the rest of the evening. I am Mr. Melvin Prado of Metropolitan Church of Metro Baguio.
And I am Puchi. Thank everyone for gracing this joyful occasion, especially to those who have traveled miles. Despite all the closed roads, thank you for being with us tonight. And as they start the rest of their lives together tonight, on behalf of them, thank you. On behalf of Don and Yel as well and their parents, we would like to express their heartfelt gratitude for your presence in this memorable occasion. It is indeed a pleasure to have you all in this evening.
Before anything else, we would like to acknowledge the key persons who took a great part of this joyous affair. For without their support, this event would not be made possible. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure to introduce to you the parents of Yel, Mr. Onofre and Mrs. Loida Rivera. There you go. A bigger round of applause, please. Okay.
We would also like to acknowledge our principal sponsors. Please stand as we call your name. Gloria Tatad and Mario Gumaya. Round of applause, please. Wood and Elmer Padol.
What about Eric Bactan and Roderick Uy?
I think they're still enjoying the dinner. How about for London Marquez and Bella Pilates?
Thank you very much. A wedding brings two people together, ties and friendship that have gone stale and almost forgotten against the toll of time and distance. For this, allow me to give a very special welcome to all who have traveled many miles to be here with us today. We would like to acknowledge the presence of families and friends who took their time out to be with us. So again, I would like to request the people concerned to please make a stand or make some noise to be recognized. May we start with the Bruguela family from Las Piñas, Laguna, Batangas, and Cavite.
MCC family from Quezon City, Makati, and Baguio.
Make some noise. Love yourself, family.
What about the band for Team Paulette family, Ronnie?
And Paul family from Manila.
I need to hear a noise from AFA Tech family.
Make some noise, Familia Zaragoza, the Propaganda College Organization.
Bahay M, college friends.
What about his close friends
So
here?
everyone has settled down. Settle down. And we are ready to welcome the newlyweds. May I request our lovely matron of honor, Ms. Rita Perez, Avicilia Cueto, to please facilitate the welcoming party for our newlyweds.
Tonight calls for a grand celebration, and it's my distinct pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time, Don and Yel as partners for love. So without any further ado, let us all rise and give our warmest welcome to Mr. Donald Mueller and Oriel Brigella. Together with your future children. So very happy, ladies and gentlemen, our new lovely couple. Let us again give them a round big of applause.
It is said that our parents are our first teachers, having raised us patiently from childhood to adulthood. They have been our source of comfort, support, and inspiration. Don and Yel are truly comes to knowing what marriage is all about. They always have a word to share to their children. We would like to call on the father of Yel, Mr. Onofre Brigella, say a few words of wisdom and best wish to our newlyweds.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Una ay nagpapasalamat ako kahit pa paano ay nakarating kayo sa kaarawan ni Oriel at saka ni Don. Ako naman, bilang tatay nila ngayon at ni Oriel noong kuman, ay talagang ganyan ang buhay. Sabi ko nga, ay maligtarin mo man ang mundo. Kung yan ang gusto mo, ay suporta lang tayo. At kahit anong mangyari, anak kita, tatay mo ako. Kaya, gaya ng nasabi na namin kanina, minamahal ka namin at minamahal ko rin ang mahal mo. Ang amin lang wish sa inyo ay walang iba kundi ang iyong kaligayahan at ang kaligayahan pang may bibigay ng mundong ito. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Tatay. Pero malapit na siyang umiyak. Parang watery na yung eyes. Anyway, thank you for a very loving message from a father.
Yes.
And then this time, let's call on the mother of Oriel to give us another heartfelt message.
Yes. Mother?
Isang mapagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mapagpalang sinabi ko kasi ngayong gabi, nakita naman natin, ayan na, natupad nila yung gusto nila. Alam ko naman lahat tayo, isa lang ang wish eh. A prayer na sana magkaroon sila ng happy and blessed life. And Don and Oriel, be the God, let the God be the center in your life. At nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng hindi lang salamat but thank you at a million thanks sa mga tumulong, sa mga support kina Don and Oriel. At siguro especially kay Junter. Si Junter kasi isa na yan sa hindi lang kaibigan o best ni Oriel, kundi tinuring na rin namin siyang anak eh. Kasi si Junter mula pa ng high school, nakita ko yan talagang palagi siya kay Oriel. Selo si Rica, oh. Kasama ka na. Kinalakihan ako ng mata. Pero muli, nagpapasalamat ako ng maraming sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
Thank you. In behalf of our principal sponsors, we would like to call on Miss Gloria Tata to say a few words to Don and Yel.
Good evening, Don and Yel. Congratulations to both of you. And thank you for being a good brother to all of us, MCC Makati. And we will never forget you, and you'll always be in our prayer. Just a word of advice. Don't go to bed without talking kung ano man yung mga hindi nyo pinagkakaroon. That's the secret of a long-lasting relationship. And always put God in the middle of your relationship. And walang mangyayari. Hindi kayo hindi yung relationship na hindi mag-collapse or something. Congratulations and God bless and have a safe trip to the US. See you soon.
Let's call it again on Miss Gloria Tata for her message.
Yel, inaanak Yel, inaanak Don, Zino, inaanak. So my advice, keep running and introduce running to Don. I know you are, you're a health buff. So, and as we talked about it during your first ultra marathon, after 9 hours and 30 minutes, mahal na kita, Yel. Outpouring of what? Stories, love stories, family, health. So, I hope I have imparted to you some of my experiences in our married life. I hope you learn from it. Try to apply it. It's a topsy-turvy life, but I know you can make it. And I hope that when you come back, you will run with us again. Okay, congratulations to both of you.
Well, let me just reiterate what she said. Keep on running. Introduce running to him. And to our Yel's running mates who are here today, you might not be running with Ariel anymore, but we all have to continue our lives. And I believe we also hope that one day you can join them again as they do their run.
Right. Let's move on. Let me ask the presence of Mr. Luis Guachol to give us a special point here.
Best wishes, Don and Ariel. A favorite writer of mine had a thing to say about the kind of love that we do. Sabi ni Oscar Wilde, this is the kind of love that dares not speak its name. Ang hirap kasi ang hirap ng ganitong klaseng love. Ang daming persecutions, hindi tanggap. Ang daming challenges. But despite that, tonight, you've shown that this is the kind of love that would dare to shout out and speak its name. So, dahil ako yung manunulat at makata, I am giving the gift of my best to the both of you. Here's a poem that I wrote for Yel and Don. It's entitled Love Without Borders. Love Without Borders. Para na rin sa mga single dito, makaka-relate ka. We've had enough of fairy tales, of witches and magic spells, and how one needs to fit a glass slipper or fall asleep 100 years, get locked inside towers in the skies, trade tales and voices for feet, or some dashing prince sweeping us off our feet, or even kissing frogs to turn to princes. Because truth be told, witches or bitches, they win all the time. And the slippers come one size fit all from Marikina. Sleep is a luxury we cannot afford these days. Towers are things that no one cares for, and feet are no better than tails nor voices. No one cares for sweeping off, just booty calls. And when we do kiss our princess, they turn to frogs. Stories no longer start once upon a time. They now come hashtag these days. No longer from a kingdom far away, but 100 meters away, preferably in online now on Grindr. We no longer care to be awakened by true love's kiss. What we now ask each other is top or bottom. We've got no time for some royal ball shindig. All we want to know is, got place? Because the world don't care for these crap. There's no such thing as forever, they now say. Except the lovers, the daydreamers, and the poets, the misfits, the outcasts, and the hopeless romantics. Those who dare believe are branded impractical. Those who dare dream are labeled as fools. No one has the time for true love and all that shit. No one except, well, you and I. So let us shut the doors to the world. Those of us impractical, hopeless, romantic fools. Because here today, there is magic. Here today unfolds a fairy tale. Pull up a chair, then comrades, sit back. This moment, once upon out of a lifetime, Don and Yel, the story shall begin. It starts with, and they live happily ever after.
Okay, let's move on to the next program. A celebration is never complete without a toast and a bottle of good wine. Let us now bring out the good wine and pour them out to our glasses. We would like to call on Mr. John Torribanada to help us toast the wine.
Hi, Beth. Hi, Don. Well, first and foremost, congratulations to the both of you. I am just really happy for the both of you, and you both know that. Don, I just want to say thank you. And you know how much thankful I am to you for accepting Yel for what he is, for whatever he is. And I just couldn't thank you. I think my words wouldn't be enough to say thank you to you. I'm just really, really thankful that God gave you to Yel. Because if I may share, 2 or 3 years ago, actually Yel was losing hope of finding someone to love him just the way he is. But, you know, God really works in a mysterious way, I guess. So, that's all I can say. Thank you, Don and Bess. Most of the people here might say that Don is that you are very lucky to have Don. But I must really say that Don is really lucky to have you. Because you are a very special person. A strong person. A person that you can really rely on despite of everything. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you best for everything and wish you for all the best. I know it wouldn't be easy, but I know God will guide you on your new journey, and I'm just really happy for you, Don. I'm gonna cut my speech. I'll talk to you later anyways. So, without further ado, everyone, I want to invite you to stand up and raise your glasses, please. Yes.
Everyone, let us all stand and raise our glasses as we make a toast.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
For that message. I know where you're coming from. I'd just like to second the motion. Don, I know where Junter's coming from. I know what he's thankful for, and so am I. You know what I'm talking about. So thank you for the acceptance. I have my own message later, ha? This is not yet it. Okay, so we will resume with our program. It's time for the dessert, although we had one earlier, but we will have another one this time. We have here a beautiful wedding cake. May I now request the couple, the newlyweds.
Yeah. Inside the wedding cake is it's the rainbow color. Okay, it's time to eat your part. It is beautiful. Okay, eat the food.
Kiss.
What's the punishment if they got the wrong answers?
They have to kiss.
That's easy.
Okay, that's a good thing. But what do you think is the punishment if they miss the answer to their question? Strip. So we're rated PG, okay? It is a PG wedding. Question number 1. Where did you guys have your first date? Are you good? You're good. Okay, on count. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Corridor. We got it. Okay. Is your first monthly? What date? 1, 2, 3. April 5, 2014. Okay. Favorite color of underwear? Three. That is a wild guess. What is the middle name or mother's maiden name of Don? Mother's maiden name of Don. Ready? There you go, ladies and gentlemen. At least you know something about our couple for tonight. Do the dog release, so may I request the newlyweds to please come forward as they go to get their dogs. To always try to seek the comfort of each other and their home together. This is where they know that they will find love. A dog will always choose one mate for life and signify love, faithfulness, joy, and hope. Don and Yale are now ready to, so we will now release the dogs. So are we ready when you are? You have to kiss, let them kiss first. Okay. Ready when you are. Alright. 1, 2, 3. And off. We have the program. The waiters can also distribute the cakes for dessert. So may I request the waiters so you can serve to the guests, yes. And you can taste the masterpiece of Ollie. Okay. So, any message to Yel and Don?
I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate both of you. Yes, congratulations. Sis Yel, congratulations. Ayan. And in behalf of Zaragoza family, we would like to, alam mo na, ha, you know. Ayan, in behalf of Zaragoza family, we are very happy for you. Sobra, nakaka-overwhelmed.
Maybe you can tell us, Zaragoza family, how is it related to Yel?
Zaragoza family, we were born way back in our TUP days. Ayan, kasi we have our group there, which is Propaganda, which is Progressive Partners in Gender Advancement. Am I right? Nakalimutan ko na. Sorry.
It's a party list, right?
Yes. Ayun. Tapos doon na kami nag-umpisa. We started there. We went, rampage everywhere. Pero it will stay there. Love you, sis. Ayan, congratulations again. And the song that I'm going to sing is actually a special request by Oriel. And it's a Tagalog song eh. I hope you will understand. Till I Met You, tsaka ikaw. Yes! Ayan. Alright. And this song's for all of us. Thank you po. Ayan.
Ikaw ang lahat.
Maraming salamat. Sige. Ayan, yung mga kinakanta ko is actually special request.
Bigyan ng jacket! Bigyan ng jacket!
I was actually,
I always thought that dreaming was strongest. Just a childish thing. And I could swear that I was never that you were there and no one till I met you. I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow every day. I love you more each day. I believe in every word that you say. I love you always. And I swear there's not a game that should remain. So tell me if I could stay till I met you.
isa pero nadagdagan yung sabit. Ayan. Lahat ang gusto magsabit na. Alam mo na si Sasha. Ayan, sige, one more song yung
Pangako sa'yo, hindi magbabago. Nawala at masakot ko. Sana di malayo.
po. Congratulations. Oh my God, so sweet. Thank you.
A round of applause. Okay. Okay. One more. Okay.
Ano gusto niyo? Anaconda?
That's all the romance, but I know that it's real. I hope we don't know to say what I feel. It's like I'm somebody else's dream. This cannot be happening to me. But you were there, you were everything I've never seen. You woke me up from this longing and lethargy. I was so alone, I opened my eyes and you were there. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I don't want to change things, leave them just your way. I know that I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type of dreams that could be more. I suppose that should be, but letting someone else say to me.
Thank you, and thank you for UP Manila. Thank you. Okay. The night convey their heartfelt gratitude. Let us now lend an ear to Don and Yel.
I just want to say thank you so much for all my new family. I want to say thank you to my MCC family. You are amazing. You are amazing. This is my home away from home, and I love you all so much. Thank you so much to Yel's amazing family. Oh my gosh. We traveled, we went all over together. We spent 10 days traveling together, and you just welcomed me into your family, and I love you all so much. And thank you for this wonderful man that you have.
Sa family ko, maraming salamat. Nakakaiyak. Probably ito na yung this will be also my send-off party to everyone. And maraming salamat po kasi naging party kayo ng buhay ko. Hindi ako yung nag-define sa sarili ko mismo, kundi yung mga kasama ko dito, yung mga pamilyang nakasalamuha ko. Dinefine nyo kung sino ako. Pinakita nyo sa akin kung gaano kaganda mabuhay. Kaano kasarap ang buhay. Yung Team Colette family ko, salamat. Kasi pagkasama ko kayo, yung strength natin pag tumatakbo, Unconditional yun eh. Kahit sino ba magsi-60 dyan? Kahit 50K, kahit natin takbuhin, walang problema kasi nakangiti lang tayo mula umpisa ng takbo hanggang matapos. Sa MCC family ko, sobrang thank you kasi kayo yung naging daan sa lahat-lahat. And you showed me a different meaning of life. And kayo yung nagturo sa akin kung gaano mag-move si God sa tao. And probably dito pinapakita na kahit sino man tayo, magkakaiba man tayo ng paniniwala, pero dahil mahal natin ang isa't isa, susuportahan natin kahit anumang mangyari. Maraming salamat. Thank you. We'll be seeing you soon.
And we'll just last.
I love you.
And thank you once again. Where is Red and Jack and Kakay? Thank you for giving us the most amazing wedding, the most amazing ceremony. You guys are just incredible, and we love you so much. Thank you.
Dun sa lahat ng mga nag-sponsor ng food, sa souvenirs, Beth, alam mo na. Vika, I love you. Ayun. Propa, alam niyo naman, sa inyo ako naging bakla. Sa inyo nag-start yung pagiging bakla ko. Mamigis ko ang mga Malabon tour natin. Doon, sa lahat ng mga tumulong, nag-sponsors, Oli for the cake, for the fabulous cake, and for the dessert. Maraming salamat. Sa nagbubuha ng invitation and sa lahat ng tumulong dito. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pag-attend nyo. Thank you. Ayun. Maraming salamat.
We love you.
There you go.
one you won't forget.
Oh my God, you're telling us that hindi mo kaya mga bata. Oh, MG. Hey, is our round of applause for the event after this now. Okay.
And that's about everything, ladies and gentlemen. Go safe trip back home. God bless and good night, each and every one.
Thank you all and continue the party!